Hey guys, it's Mendocino Tech Guru here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an iPhone 6s screen replacement. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, a metal pry tool, and a plastic spudger. You want to start off by getting your pentalobe screwdriver and removing the two screws at the bottom. Then you want to get your metal pry tool and wedge it in between the crevice of the metal frame and the screen. Just insert the edge and start prying upward slowly and go around the sides of the phone. Once you have the sides of the screen propped up, you're going to want to flip the screen up at a 90-degree angle. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, get the Phillips screwdriver and take out the two screws. Get your plastic spudger and disconnect the battery. Get your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 screws holding the bracket over the ribbon cables. Then disconnect the 3 ribbon cables holding the screen in place. So the first thing we want to do is remove the home button from the original screen. So there's 3 Phillips screws at the bottom. Remove them, take out the bracket, disconnect the ribbon cable for the home button, and then push out the home button from the bottom. Then we want to install that home button on the new screen. So connect the ribbon cable, put the bracket over, and install the screws. We want to test the new screen and test the home button that it still works. So we're going to temporarily connect our screen and battery, turn it on. Once the phone is on, we want to make sure the home button works and the touch sensitivity works. Looks like it works fine, so we're going to disconnect the battery and remove the new screen. Now we can continue with the rest of the process. Take out the 3 Phillips screws holding the frame on the side, then the other 3 screws on the other side. There's 1 screw at the top, and then 3 screws at the top holding in the microphone and speaker. Take the speaker out. Take the camera and mic flex cable out. It's a little difficult, but I try to use a metal pry tool to just wedge underneath it and slowly pry it out. So right here, I'm removing the plastic bits that holds the camera unit in. Most new replacement screens won't have those plastic bits, so you have to transfer those over. Then take out the metal frame there. Sometimes it's held together by stickers at the top, so just use your nail to remove the stickers at the top. Once you remove the sticker, you can take out the metal heat shield. Get your new 6S replacement screen here. Install the heat shield. Start off with the screws on the side. And start installing all the screws all around the frame. Install the new plastic bits in there in the top frame. You're going to want to put the front camera and mic sensor back the way you found it in the old screen, and then put the metal bracket over it. Once the screw holes align, then you can put in your Phillips screws. So right here at the top, the metal heat shield was slightly bent out of shape, which is why the screw wouldn't fit in. So I got a pair of tweezers and just bent it back in place. Then the screw was able to fit in. Install the remaining screws. And now it's all complete. You're going to want to test your new display. Connect the 3 ribbon cables. Connect the battery. Put the bracket over. Install the 4 Phillips screws. Install the bracket over the battery connector and the 2 screws. Then put your phone together and we're done. An iPhone 6s screen replacement, and install the last 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom and we're done.